Big cities, big opportunities. Is your store protected? At Checkpoint, we have the solution when space is limited. The G40, a condensed RF-based EAS antenna, will give your store the protection you need. Small format stores are creating a big impact, with some doubling their sales revenue per square foot. The G40, a super slimline acrylic EAS antenna, helps small stores maximize trading space, fitting in hard-to-protect areas. Protecting your items from theft is critical. Not only do you lose the item, you lose customers when items are out of stock. We have intelligently manufactured the G40 to provide data that matters. Checkpoint have a range of products to give you the full one-stop solution that you can count on. Providing accurate detection when space and product availability is crucial. Checkpoint, the industry leader